Since I started my transformation, I have not taken a single cheat meal. All my life, I would think life is too short to skip out on cake. I would take a free day on holidays, birthday parties. After a cheat meal, I felt bad physically and emotionally. You just canceled out all your hard work for the whole week. When I exercise my willpower and I don't take a cheat meal, I feel great. But even better, I get to keep my gains. I don't have a deadline on this transformation. If it takes 6 months or 6 years, I am not quitting. I quit drinking alcohol for 1 year. I never would have even considered quitting drinking alcohol for the rest of my life. Right before this transformation, the thought occurred to me, I have never taken a break from alcohol for more than 2 or 3 months in my life. If you can't quit drinking alcohol for 1 year just to see if it makes a difference, then you're not even really trying.